Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. You know how you always say, I'm not buying any more fabric, I'm not buying any more sewing things? Well, I've decided that I'm just going to stop saying that because I know I'm going to buy something. If I want it, if I see it, or if I think I need it, I'm going to get it. The urge hits us all at some point or another. So this is what happened. Was this bodkin. I picked it up at Joann's. Now I do normally use a safety pin, but the last couple of skirts that I made, my safety pin kept opening while I was trying to get the elastic through. So I just decided to go ahead and break down and buy this bodkin. I've seen a couple people use it and think I know how to use it now, so I think it'll be a little bit better and easier for me instead of that safety pin. Although my handy dandy safety pin is still my go-to. Next one is this quick turn, and I was inspired to purchase this by LaKeshia of Designz Creations. I'd seen these before in Joann's, but I really couldn't even follow the directions, honestly, to figure out how to use it. It wasn't making sense to me. But when I saw her demonstrate it on her channel, I was like, oh my goodness, that's what I've needed all this time. I mean, I've made a few patterns where this would have been very, very handy. I even gave up on one project because the straps were so thin. I couldn't get them to turn out. So I ended up scrapping that project. But now that I have this, I think I will go back and try it again. But thank you, LaKeshia, because I believe these are going to be a lifesaver. Next is a cut of fabric that I purchased from Walmart. And I believe this may have been $7 a yard. It's pink with gold dots on it. I don't know if you can see that. But it doesn't have a lot of stretch in it. This way, no stretch. But if you pull it this way, has some pretty good stretch to it in recovery. I did make a dress out of this same fabric last year for my mom and dad's pastor and wife anniversary, and it came out great. But somehow along the way I snagged a hole in it and I never remade it. I want to, but that's not what this will be for. This will be for a special project that will be revealed later on in the future. The last cut of fabric that I purchased is this cow print jersey fabric. And I just knew I had to get my hands on this. I love the color. I love it. I love it. I love it. And I am thinking of making a romper with this fabric. I've seen some people wearing some rompers that I really liked. And I think I have some patterns that are in the same style. And I'll be using this. It has no stretch this way. But this way, it's kind of stretchy. So if I don't make a romper, it will be a dress. But I intend to use this pretty soon because I want to wear it this summer. So these are just a few of the things that I picked up. If you used any of these fabrics or any of these tools, leave me a comment below. Or let me know if you have any suggestions for the fabrics that I've picked up. Hit that like button if you liked the video. And also, don't forget to consider subscribing. Hit that notification bell so that you'll know when that next video is up. Until then, see it, make it, slay it.